Whether you're a student or faculty member, this tool will help you streamline your research. So let's take a quick look at how it can be used to help optimize your academic workflow. To use the AI Research Assistant tool, click on the button in the top left-hand corner of the University of Manitoba Libraries search tool. You'll be taken to a page that describes what the AI Research Assistant is, its limitations and features, as well as information about data privacy and protection. To continue through to use the AI Research Assistant tool, click on the box on the right-hand side. Before reaching this page, you will be asked to authenticate with your UMNet ID and password. To begin our search, let's enter in a few keywords. Today I'm going to use French Education Canada. And we'll click on the arrow. The AI Research Assistant will scour the University of Manitoba Libraries resources to find the 5 most relevant sources to your topic. Here we can see it's brought up articles, book chapters, and if you'd like to view the full results from our library catalog, you can click on the View More Results from your library search on the right-hand side. Below the list of sources, there's an overview which contains paragraphs with information pulled from each of the sources. At the end of each paragraph, there is a footnote, and you click on it. It will indicate which of the sources that information was pulled from. And from there, you can download the PDF of that article or book chapter, read the full text online, or if it's not available at the University of Manitoba Libraries, you can click here to find more options for borrowing from another institution. At the end of the overview of sources, there's an option to copy the text and, of course, paste it into a document, or you can hit the Try Again button and the AI Research Assistant will redo the search and come up with new resources. There are also suggested related research questions, and if any of these look interesting to you, you simply click on the question and hit the arrow again, and AI Research Assistant will do the search over again with the new research question. On the left-hand side, you can see that AI Research Assistant keeps track of the searches that I've done recently, and in this way you can easily go back to a previous search on another date. If you're interested in seeing the complete list of sources that was pulled up from your search, you simply click on the View More Results, and this will bring up a new tab, this time in our full search engine. And here you have the traditional results filter buttons available to you, so you can limit by peer-reviewed articles, you can limit to the publication date, and then simply hit the Apply filters to reduce the number of results that you get back. So that's the end of our tutorial for today. If you have any questions or comments, please contact the University of Manitoba Libraries. Thank you.